Hello everyone, welcome to join Golden International Health Free Education. My name is Mary Huan Invention Craig, Golden International Mobile Hub Life Sales. Today we will teaching Golden International Mobile Hub Life Sales the application knowledge targeted for yourself to protect your own health. The correct modern knowledge, Golden International Daily Actions. Golden International Daily Actions consists of 40 different actions, total of 80 Golden International Daily Actions, original education, video courses, about brief introduction, Golden International Daily Mobile Health Life Sales, and Golden International Daily Actions for participating to learn and obtain effect and so on. We already put on the following after the teaching video. Please, everyone must carefully read and watch. Now we're teaching one action among Golden International Daily Actions. Last class, we give the desk action, hand action, leg action, and connect action. Many people ask, how many quantity we need to do for each day? Good question. We give correct answer is 10 times for each day. Shall we do more? No, you cannot do more. 10 times enough because after our few decades deeply research and back practice, we got the final conclusion is 10 times enough. Because if one action to do too much, maybe will hurt your body inside some organs or parts. That's what we don't want. So, do the action 10 times, enough for each day. Shall we do less? Somebody also asked. No, you should do 10 times in order to protect your health. However, for some beginner, just join. So you need to practice, you need to repeat, you need to adjust the action. Maybe you can do less. However, when you got a profession, you must do 10 times each day. Before we do the one day quantity 10 times, couple things we want everybody remember. Number one, that action is a spin. Yes, turn. So right turn, left turn must keep it even. 10 times, turn right turn, turn left turn. You cannot make right turn more, left turn less, or either left turn more, right turn less. You should keep it even, exactly even. Number two, the feet touch floor cannot make any sound, quite like up, like down. Number three, always keep your body upright and avoid leaning forward or backward. And the hand only one way, ear side. Cannot do that, that's only one way. Yes, and the cross switch. Okay, and as close as body. Cannot do that, must down. As close as body, and move body side with the body's one flat cannot make that. That's no, only one way. And then raise also one way. Cannot do that. That's 10. And finally, that's also one way, ear side. Cannot make that. Yes. So now we need to do 10 times. However, we need choose two kind of different language to count. In here, we choose the English and Han. Somebody asked, why should we choose two kind of language to count? Good question, because we want to protect our trip. Long, far away, protect bronchitis, pandemic, and many diseases. Some people also ask, excuse me, I cannot speak Han. Doesn't matter. You can choose your hometown language. For example, you can choose Spanish language, English, Spanish. We only need ask everybody choose two kind different language to count. Protect your own health, check, and long. Of course, your eyes should look straight, smiling face, and temporarily forget any trouble things. Let your brain clean. And then make happy, enjoying your wonderful action. Okay, now everybody follow me to do 10 times that action. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. One, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Wonderful. Do this action, okay, need slowly, cannot make fast, okay, step by step. Some people ask, say, the 90 degree, they cannot do. Yes, sometimes start. Some people it's difficult. However, you slowly make 90, 90, 90. Absolutely, you can do that. Because that's action, not big, difficult, right? Easy. Just make step by step. Absolutely, you can do this. Trust yourself. One by, step by step. Do that action just slowly, slowly. Because that step not big. So after you practice, absolutely, you can get right action. And some people also ask, they cannot do that action. That action, yes, maybe it's, you should too tight, so need practice. That action everybody can do. Just make lead. Yes, trust yourself, step by step. Everybody can do. Just need time. Some people use the few months, some people use the more times. However, everybody finally also got correct action. Then correct knowledge. Must correct knowledge. Everybody can enjoy correct knowledge and make it easy protect your own health. At home, join Golden International Daily Actions. Every day, do the 40 kind set different actions. You can enjoy your healthy life far away bronchitis, pandemic, and many diseases. Enjoy your wonderful healthy